As a kid, I used to think that weak people means the ones they're disabled. They lack a disability physically in their body or something. But with growing age, I realized that how wrong I was to think that. Like the real weak people I see now in this society is so corrupted. They're so mentally fucked up that people are killing people, burning daughters, sisters, mothers alive for dowry, raping them in their own homes. It does not have to be like that. If you want something, why not work on yourself and become capable of achieving that? Why not become capable of earning that and achieve it on your own? People are so weak, weaker than this. You see this leaf, they can be bent easily like that. They're so weak mentally that not for even 1 second they think that it's not just one life they're going to ruin, it is two. What do you expect of your life to happen after you ruin someone's life? Believing that just to have that dopamine, that feeling of some time that you desperately want for that time, it's going to ruin your life too. Think about yourself. Is this the environment that we really want? This environment that we really want? The place where we want to build our families, that we want to make our families? Absolutely not. Just because of these wrongdoings, it is not that nowadays these things are happening a lot. Such wrong things have been taking place. Humans were born. It's just now we have more access to the resources, news and social media application that we get to know much. A lot these days. These news, killings and murders and rapes and things that we cannot even imagine. It is absolutely true. The society is not really impacted by those who are doing wrong things, but more by the ones who are being silent. It's very easy. It's very simple. You come on the social media application, you scroll and you keep scrolling. You're just being so consumed in this feeling of entertainment and fun. But apart from that, there's so much more to learn, to change, to work for. Remember this: time wasted is equals to life wasted. Start working on yourself, becoming capable, everything achieving on your own, and then just enjoy the feeling of achieving something on your own. I know that this might not even work, this video, for 0.01% for some people, but this is something that really requires attention right now. So I don't want any kind of likes or shares from you, but watch this for yourself.